Hey, this is Eric. I want to show you guys the grouping or association feature of IFPRS. Here I am in staging, and I already have several actions that I want to group. The words group and associate are kind of interchangeable in IFPRS right now, and the idea behind it is that you can create a common linkage between several treatments and activities. You can create a association and have individual treatments within that association be part of another association. So if you were to create a document action that you need to associate with another group, you could do that. The whole idea is that you can click on a specific treatment, see that it is associated with others, and then get the story of what they are linked for. I would like to use the idea that it's common. It's sort of like a project. In the future, more utility will hopefully be available to it. But right now, I'll show you how to create one. So I have a treatment here that I want to associate with these others that I have named in a part of a training session or scenario. So just as an example, I'll show you how to go ahead and create one. So I'm going to click in it, and it doesn't matter if it's approved or not approved or draft. It doesn't matter the status. It zooms in. I'm going to zoom out a little bit on the map because I want to get all of these together, and I'm going to associate. Don't create actual. Hit the associate button. It doesn't look like anything happens until you get out into the map, and then you get a crosshair, and then you can simply draw a box, and all you got to do is touch and double click. So there should be 6. Okay, so there's more in here. So there's way more in here than I want to actually have. So I want the treatments and activities that start with Dodo. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the X button, and it's going to remove these things that are not part of my association or group. Now, if you were to accidentally delete one, you could easily add it, but I would do it from a different window. And how you can, so now you can name it, and you should name it something that makes sense to you. And in this scenario, I'm just going to use Dodo Group. I'm going to hit save, and then your card now shows up with one associated group. You can have, like I said, multiple associations, so this number could change. Now you can go in, close this one, and open up another one, a different one, and it should be associated as well. And I'm going to open this associated group, and a new window will pop up, and it'll show me all the treatments and activities that are part of this group. If I want to make an adjustment here, I can click in it, and then I get that rack again. And then if I wanted to add a different one, I could go in, and these are what is showing in my map screen right now. So what I'm filtered to, what I'm able to add. So for whatever reason, I want to add that one, and I can. And I could rename the group if I wanted to, and I can hit save. Then I'm going to hit close. And so now I can go back and look at this associated group, and it'll have this new treatment in there. And just like before, if I wanted to remove it, I could save. In the future, what I'd like to see is some opportunity to use this area over here where we could put in some information about why you want to have these actions grouped together. So that's using a group. Good luck.